Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. If you need some extreme cleaning motivation, I have it for you today as I clean up after the holidays. Hi guys, welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is some extreme cleaning motivation. It takes place over a couple of days. We actually just took our Christmas decorations down yesterday. So right before Christmas, Eric was slicing an onion and he cut into his hand and had to have stitches. So we were very delayed getting our Christmas decorations down because we had to wait on his hand to heal. If you are new here, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Please consider clicking on that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. I thought I would just come on and do this instead of doing a voiceover. I am having some issues with my voiceovers. When I edit, it's fine, it sounds great. But when I go to save it, my voiceovers are sounding a little bit different, and I did not notice it, and I had a friend who pointed it out to me, and thank you so much, because like once I edit and save it, I usually just upload it. So I had no idea that it was doing that. So instead of like trying to talk while I'm cleaning, I'm just going to clean up, and let's see if there's anything else I was going to tell you guys before we get started cleaning. Yes, hopefully next week I will be back to a normal loading schedule, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But yeah, this is like some major cleaning because the stuff had been up for a while. So I hope that this motivates you guys to get some cleaning done. Oh, I was gonna tell you as well, I changed clothes several times throughout this video. It was actually 74 degrees yesterday. That is crazy for January. And we were taking the Christmas stuff down and it got really hot and we had to turn our air conditioning on. So I changed clothes quite a few times throughout filming that video, and then I had to finish up today because I ran out of daylight. So let's get busy cleaning.
Kinda turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, screaming out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in a dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get something on fire, on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, desire. Every time we touch, we get something on fire, on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get something on fire, on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, desire. Every time we touch, we get something on fire, on fire. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I just start living now.
so much for watching today's video. Remember, give this video a thumbs up and comment if you would like, and I will see you in the next one. And remember, no matter what you're doing, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.